You're watching I am WinstonGelCooking832 on the YouTube platform. Today in my cooking lab, I will be creating a new content here today. A challenge was put to me about doing a mango cake, yes, which I've never done before. So I will be attempting to do a nice, delicious, tasty mango cake here today in my cooking lab on the I am WinstonGelCooking832 on the YouTube platform. So right before me you can see those 6 nice, beautiful, yum, tasty, delicious, juicy mangoes. And over here I have some cherries which will be going in here. And also I have some raisins which will be going in there. And of course some flour. I'll be using gluten flour. Yes. And all the spices are here that I will be using. Yes. And I will test it to see if I need to add any sugar. If not, the mango flavor alone or the mango juice, yes, sugar would be sufficiently enough, yes, to complete this project here on the I am WinstonGelCooking832 on the YouTube platform. My friends, I'd like to make clear this cake is not an Iceland cake. No fancy decorations, okay? Just a cake. Just a plain, ordinary, simple, delicious, tasty mango cake without any, yes, Iceland, without any special decorations, okay? So I hope you still will like the process and try to do one. You're watching I am WinstonGelCooking832 on the YouTube platform. Okay, the mangoes, they're now peeled, okay? The mangoes, they're peeled. Yes, it would have taken a lot of time showing you on camera, so I did the peeling off camera. So now I'm going to cut these up. Yes, I'm going to cut them up and put them in a blender. You're watching I am WinstonGelCooking832 on the YouTube platform. These are not very firm. Not very firm mangoes, but they're very juicy and they're very sweet. Even though I didn't taste any, but I can smell the flavor. That's an indication that they're very sweet. You're watching I am WinstonGelCooking832 on the YouTube platform. Alright, I'm going to pour out first batch. Alright, going to the next. Add water. Put in the rest of the mangoes. You're watching. I am WinstonGelCooking832 on YouTube. Alright, I'm going to put 1 stick of butter. Yes, just 1 stick of butter inside of the mango puree. Just 1 stick of butter of the mango puree. Alright. That is the butter and the mango. Watching I am WinstonGelCooking832 on the YouTube platform. We are looking at the creaming of the butter and the mango. No sugar. Just butter and mango puree. And you'll see this on the I am WinstonGelCooking832 on the YouTube platform. Okay, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of white vanilla. Yes, white vanilla. I'm also going to add 1 tablespoon of almond joy flavor. Alright, so 1 almond joy and 1 white vanilla. And I'm going to add a teaspoon of cinnamon. Yes, a teaspoon of cinnamon flavor. You're watching I am WinstonGelCooking832 on the YouTube platform. Alright, so now I'm going to blend this out. So I'm just going to I'm only going to use cinnamon, vanilla flavor, and almond joy flavor. Now I'm going to start incrementally add the flour into the mix. I'm going to add half teaspoon of salt. That is sea salt, just not any salt, sea salt. Half teaspoon of sea salt. Alright, I'm going to start with one cup of flour. That's 1 cup of flour. I'm trying to start with 2 cups of flour. 2 cups of flour. You're watching I am Winston Cooking. So that's 4 cups of flour. Now I'm going to add the baking soda. I'm going to add 1/8 cup of baking powder.